Are you looking to grab free stock videos for your YouTube channel in 2026? Before you jump in, there is something really important you need to know about accessing the site right now. If you head over to Pexels.com today, you might not get straight to the videos. In our recent tests, the website is heavily protected by a Cloudflare security service. When you visit, you'll likely encounter a screen that says, "Just a moment," while it performs a security verification. This is designed to protect the platform against malicious bots, meaning you have to wait a few seconds for the verification to succeed before the actual site responds. Now, because we want to be 100% honest with you, we don't have any verified user reviews or external rating data in our system for Pexels yet. Because of this limited review data, we can't give you a breakdown of what other creators think about their current video library, download limits, or licensing terms. So, what is our final take? On the positive side, the platform is highly secure, ensuring that malicious bots aren't slowing down the servers. On the downside, having to pass a security verification page just to search for a quick video clip can be a bit of a speed bump when you are in the middle of a fast editing workflow. Since we have limited data today, we want to hear from you. Have you used Pexels recently for your YouTube videos? Did you run into this security verification screen? And how was your experience? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, real-time updates.